Alright, so today we are reviewing the UGREEN Mini USB to USB 10-foot cord. This cord is super durable, super thick, it's a great cord. Now there are a number of uses for a USB Mini to USB 2.0 cord, but the reason that we purchased this cord is because we wanted to be able to use our podcast mic, our USB powered podcast mic with our cell phone. So we're going to connect it up and let you know or let you hear how it sounds. Now, in order to use a USB powered microphone with your cell phone, you need an Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. And the USB mic that we're using right now is the Blue Yeti USB microphone. So we're going to connect this cord. We're going to connect the UGREEN cord to the adapter. Then we're going to plug the other end of the USB cord into the microphone. So we're going to plug this into the phone now, into the lightning port of our phone, and let you hear how it sounds. So as you can hear, the mic is now plugged in and powered through our cell phone. So it served its purpose. This UGREEN cord is beautiful. So if you're looking for any USB Mini to USB 2.0 cords, this is a good one to have. It's 10 foot long. It's very durable and strong, so it doesn't get bent up or messed up in any sort of way. So this is actually a great cord to have. So if you guys are interested in it, you're having the same issue trying to connect a USB mic or a digital camera to your cell phone and allow it to be used or connected, this is a great cord to have. If you guys like it, try it out and let us know.